Cleanup job here. Clean up, tidy up. Just gonna weed this, trim this here, weed the front, trim, weed, trim here, weed whack here, weed all of this, weed, take out the waste, weed, remove this old dead grass. Then we're gonna lay down seed. And we're gonna remove this tree limb here. We're gonna remove that. And we're gonna cut down the tree. And we're gonna remove this whole bed of weeds. Take out all this ivy as well. Okay. We're gonna reset everything. Take away this brush. And here's the lawn. Big usable space. We're just gonna cover it all up. We're gonna present two options. One is the lawn and one is the dew bark. Bark would be the bark would be the lower maintenance solution. It's gonna be up to the customer and how they wanna use this space. Okay. One thing to note is next to the retaining wall there's a dip. Alright, there's a slope right here. So we'll have to plan around that as well to contain the soil and the seed. Okay? Big job, guys. This is Saturday's job.